Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get an access token in HubSpot, which is essential for integrating HubSpot with other apps or automating your workflows. First, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. Click on the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, head to the integrations section, usually found under the Settings menu. Here, select Private Apps, which allows for secure and customizable integrations. Click Create a Private App. You'll be prompted to set up scopes, which define what parts of your HubSpot data your app can access. Select the permissions your app needs and click Add New Scope, then Update to save your choices. After this, click Create App, and then continue to finalize the private app setup. Finally, you'll see your access token. Click Show Token to view it, and then copy to save it securely to your clipboard. And that's it. You've successfully generated and copied your HubSpot Access Token, ready to use for integrations and automations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.